Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover Messenger account without Facebook. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open up your Messenger app. And as you can see, I'm not logged into my Messenger. So here, you will see the option to log into your Messenger, but you will need to tap on Forgot Password below Login. After that, you will get the option to put in your mobile number. You can also tap on Search by email address. So put in the email address associated with your Messenger. After that, tap on Find Account. Since I don't have one, I'll tap on Search by mobile number instead. And now I'll type in the mobile number associated with my account. After that, I'll tap on Find Account. And as you can see, all the accounts associated with this number are available here. So choose your account. After that, choose how you want to get a verification code for login. There are multiple ways available, but I'll tap on Get Code or Link via SMS. And then tap on Continue. Now wait till you get the SMS with the verification code. Once you get it, enter the code here. So now, as you can see, I've received the code. After that, tap on Continue. Now, all you need to do is type in your new password for your Messenger. So select a password that is strong. Make sure it's at least 6 letters and has numbers. Also, you can choose to log out of other devices. If you want that, tap on the option. After that, tap on Continue. Just wait for your password to be reset. And once it's done, you'll get the option to save your login info. So just tap on Save. After that, tap on Not Now. So that is how you can recover your Messenger account without Facebook.